Thank you for to those who won. To those who won. Sir John, goodie po. Sir John, thank you for joining. Long time no hear. Thank you, Sir John. You said I gotta tell me, I wanna understand. I swear, if we can back in the night, baby, holding on the Thank you po. Hi, Cleed Selva. Thank you for joining. Oh my god, thank you for watching. Is that Mike I hear in the background? No? He's Mike not here. He's going back in America, Sir John. Mike not here in the Philippines. He's in America now. Sir Kwan. Sir John. Thank you for 14 people in the house. I'm joking po. I could hear the pig. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. My God. Thank Lots of pigs here, Sir John. Busy day. Again. Yes, again. Come back in life. Ah, yes. That was my. Baby, tell me. Nice washing machine, Cheryl. Hey Fred, how are you from Sir John? Doing good here, John, and you? Yeah, I'm good, nice and cold. Raining here, Cheryl. Same here, but suddenly it stopped and suddenly sunny, suddenly raining. Yeah, I'm good, loving this color weather. God, she's busy. I will come back. Got few things to get done. Okay po. Thank you, Sir Fred. Okay, Fred, I will be here for a little while. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank God for watching. Thank you, Sir John. Hi, Mark. Thank you, Mark, for joining here. Fred, good to see you from Sir Dwayne. Hey, Dwayne. Sure, good morning to you. Afternoon here, Sir Dwayne. For the most part, always cold here, John, but in other house, always hot. Yeah. Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Mark. Wait. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Yes, natin. Okay po, see you later. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you, Cheryl. So good to see you, young lady. Thank you, Sir John. Sorry, Sarita. Ayan. So, so good to see you. Thank you. That's so heavy. You need a worker to lift your heavy loads. How is your fancy? Your October's wedding is coming soon. Yes. So Mark. My fancy is sleeping maybe. Sleeping. Resting. West. Where will you, where will you and he live? Where will you? He live his, what do you mean? Sir Mike. Mark. What do you mean, Sir Mark? Where will you and he live? What? Thank you. Once I'm married, where we live here. I will live here in the Philippines. How is your fiance? Yeah. Yeah. I live here in the Philippines. Who you moved to USA or get a new home with Mike there in the Philippines? Uh, we don't know. We're planning. Planning where we live, something like that. But planning we live here. Planning we live here in the Philippines and also going somewhere, something like that. Yes. What you win? Else, I don't know if uh, we plan about that, but wherever we live together, something like that. You would like living in USA. I would like. I think I would like if living with Mike, something like that. If you're living with someone you love, you will love it. You will like to live, even if different weather. Like I used to live here in the Philippines, so something like that. You will like living in country, live with someone you love, something like that. We get up tired. Yes, that's true. Yes, that's true. Yes, po. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Pagkakay dalawa, isa. If I meet someone, I hope to live part of the year in Philippines and the other part of the year in USA. Yes, po. Yeah, that's right. Something like that. That's nice. That good. That's nice. That's good. That's nice. That's good. Yeah, living here in the Philippines and living in the USA, something like that. I would have two homes with here. Oh, yes, that's nice. That's nice, or mine. It's good. You already find someone, Sir Mark? Nung puso mo, nasaman mo, I'm somebody who can love me at my worst. I'm sorry, I'm just two homes would be very good. Yes, that's nice. That's nice, sir. That's nice. Good for you here in the Philippines and also in the USA. But are you what you decide? Both you decide. Both of you the couple, so it's good. Good to both of you. If you if you have a Kwan, the Filipina, what if you in love with another country like Thailand? Thailand is a beautiful. Japanese is also a beautiful lady there. So it's up to you, Sir Mark. One day I may meet your cousin. Ah, okay, that's nice. Okay, Sir Mark. I'm looking forward about that. No one yet. Why? A lot of a lot of Filipina. Lots of beautiful Filipina. So my, you will find something like beautiful Filipina. They are good. Some are good. Some young and beautiful. Um, because my cousin, she's so busy. Maybe you will feel bored waiting for her because she's so busy at work. She's working a lot. I am talking each night with someone. We are liking each other so far. Oh, that's nice. Sure, I'll be right back. I need another cup of coffee. Okay, thank you, Sir Dwayne. I am talking each night with someone. We are liking each other. Are you already meet? You already meet someone, Sir Mark? You already meet someone? Uh, woman? Okay. Hello, Philippines woman, so very nice. Oh, sure, I'll be right. Okay. So you finally found Filipina, something like that. I may offer to take her over financially. She said she likes me. Ah, that's good. So why you want? Why you still want to meet my cousin if you finally found someone? Only talking but in commitment to any woman yet. No commitment. Oh, just talking stage. I may offer to take care of her financially. She says she likes me. Oh, that's good. Be careful for the scammers remark. Okay. Hope she's a good woman. Something like that. But if you offer, so that's good if you offer. That's nice. No need to regret if you spend a lot of money to her for her. So that's nice. No complaining. Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw siya. I don't know where. She will want a lot of money. So that's why. Yes, just talking instance. Okay. She will want a lot of. Okay, that's why. If she if you spend us a lot of money for her because she just likes lots of money from you, uh, I hope you feel no regrets about it. Okay, 200 each month, 500 for an apartment. Okay, 2,000. Where are you? Okay, Sir Mark. That's good if you're willing to give her, okay? So I'm happy for you, both of you. I think uh, something like that. That's nice. Hi sis, hi Shannon. So I worry she only wants. That's why I told you be careful because you will feel scam later because so I worry she only wants money. So that's why you need to be careful, okay? Mark, one time she asked for money. Tell her that you don't have for a little while. That's why. Mark, if she asking you money, that's not good because oh, see if she still wants to talk to you. Yeah, that's why. If she wants to talk to you at just talking stage, maybe you need to spend a lot of money because $2,000 a month is too much. Something like that. Be careful. I'm warning you. A lot of Filipinas scam a foreigner. That's why if she likes you, just a talking stage. No need to spend much money. Okay. It's good to help, but be careful. Now she's just like a money. So that's be careful. You need to see the red flag. Money talks and bullshit walks. Yeah, something like yes, Shannon. That's right. And then Mark, if she uh, found uh, a man that she likes, she will easy to leave you because you like you said just talking stage, something like that, and you offer to help, and you offer to spend money to her, she will not feel it. She will not feel guilt that is come. She will not claim she is calm you because you're willing to help her. You're willing to give her money, so something like that. She never felt the guilt. She is calm you because you like you spend money for her. Hey, how are you doing? Daisy from Shannon. I good, and you, Sir Dwayne. I Sir Bell. Hi, Sir Bell. I sub to you. I sub to you. Thank you from Sir Bell. Be careful, Mark. For the Filipina, lots of Filipina scam. I'm babysitting and oh my god. I am babysitting and oh my god. Good morning, everybody. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Yeah, be careful. Be careful, Mark. For the ano, you like what you said. You having you having feel that you should just like money. Yes, your feeling is right. Okay, be careful and see the red flags. So I still want to meet your cousin because I trust my cousin. I told you, Mark, a lot of Filipina woman, uh, good Filipina, not only my cousin, something like that. Because my cousin, she's having a trust issues because she felt cheated, she felt betrayed her past relationship. So I'm not make a promise to you that she will likes you because I don't want to tell her that you have lots of money. I don't want I don't want I don't want to because she likes you because a lots of money because that's not good. So it's the perfect timing. So maybe just need to meet each other. My cousin just meet each other in the perfect time, something like that. But maybe you're still looking the other Filipina. You don't need to say that you have lots of money. Maybe just be yourself, no. Just give the just not too much, just a little help for the Filipina because if Filipina uh, see you have lots of money, you need to be careful. You need to protect yourself and your pocket, something like that. That's no. You need to be secure, your heart and your life. Something. Mark, I will tell you something. I meet a Pinoy man. He loved me when I gave him money. When I stopped giving to him, he told me he doesn't love me anymore. Oh my God. I'm 48 and have a great company and not easily fooled. So I have question about what she sees. Mark, I know the money. We know about money is like if you found the real love, you don't need to show you what's the inside your inside the inside your pocket, inside something like that, inside your pocket. You need to do if you want a real love. Just find the Filipina. Even you just what the simple offer just from your heart. Oh my God, because a lot of Filipina is common, so I want you to regret later. That's why you feel they scam you. Maybe something like even you give it or not, she still like you, right? Mark, please listen to Cheryl. She knows what she's talking about. I will let you talk. Yes. Thank you, Shanna. Shannon is right. Exactly. Love is real. Yeah. Whatever you offer, whatever you like, you give it or not, whatever you give it or not, whatever. Because love is not, that's not about the money. What if you getting poor and she feel like you always give him a money to something like that, then suddenly you stop because you getting poor. What if, I'm not saying that you getting poor, what if it happened and you feel sick and you feel nothing at all? She will leave you easily and she will find another man, young and rich, having money than you, something like that. So that's not good. You need to, it takes time. You need to learn the Filipina or the woman. It takes time. No need to rush. Yes, I don't expect someone to instantly like me. I think it happened in the heart. Yeah, it's happened in the heart. You if you I think, yeah, because of money. Yes. People are easy to love, easy to get the woman if you're using your money. Maybe try here to give, because she will always feel you have a lot of money. Maybe you try to give him a little amount, so what here a reaction, something like that, because life is short. Sometimes the good people uh, abuse for bad people. Maybe just because she needs to waking up. I need to be a strong personality, something like that. Be careful, the Philippine, a lot of is coming, Filipina. A lot of is coming is Filipino, you need to be careful. Sometimes good woman you don't see here on social media. Something like that. Social media is like just something like mascara. You 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 will see her, it's good, but she have a lot of uh, bad sides, and outside the camera she have a hidden agenda. So you need to be careful. You remember my wife. Yeah, remember my wife and kids were killed in a car accident in 2003. I've been single since then because of sadness. I threw everything into my company. Now I have hope for a love and life partner. Yeah, that's why. You never find the true love because you're using money. That's not ano. You can use your money but not give her at too much. Just you need to give it time. That's something like that. Mark, my friend, my condolences and pray for your past loss. Yes. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Yeah, condolences for your wife and your family. Uh, Sir Mike. Sir Mike, yes, your wife and your kids, condolences surpassed. I feel sad what happens to you, but you need to be strong, okay? It, God will give you at the right time. You're 48 years old, is still young. Okay. It takes time, Sir Mark. You will find a good man, but you need to be careful. Because maybe you feel lost when you find the wrong person. You get lost. That's why. Mark, I'm sorry. My autocorrect. My prayers and condolences to you, my friend, for your loss of your wife and family. Sheila Shafala, thank you, Dwayne, from Mr. Mark. Like you. Thank you for the likes. Tell me you wanna understand. Thank you, Bonomai, from Mark. Yeah, you need to be careful about the red flags, because your feeling is right, your instinct is right. That's a red flag. Meeting a Filipina. That's not good Filipina. Okay, lots of good Filipina. uh, that's good. You are good supporters. Okay, good supporters, financially supporters. That's good. But getting too much, and that's not. Maybe when you get like getting it, live together, you will give it something like that. But when it's talking stage, you need to be careful for the regrets later. No regrets. Because we don't know. Are you sure she's single? Are you sure she's single? She's not married, something like that? Because a lot of Filipina, uh, no, I'm not. I'm a lot, not all, but a lot. They see single online, but they are in a relationship with another man. And then some are, they said, separated, but they still loving with her husband, and uh, she having still having a boyfriend here. So you need to be careful. I just want whoever I meet and fall in love with to know I can take care of them, but I don't want someone who only wants money. That's right. No need. If she only wants your money, you will never be. You will never be happy. Okay, because if you stop giving money, she will. She will easy. That's not a good. That's not a love. I think you need to know more Filipina. But because some of Filipina are good, but not all. You need to be careful, Mark. Oh my God, because a lots of good foreigner is come by Filipina, so that's why I feel sorry about the good foreigner, most American. Feel sorry about that because they are very helpful and they are very responsible uh, partner, but these come Filipina. That's why I feel sorry about that. So that's why I feel ashamed. That's not good. And then the light, the lies. They are lies. My goodness. Talking about money is toxic. Like toxic. Like if she don't have work and then she dependent about, it's not you need to be careful, Mark. You will find, but you need to know, you need to test the woman you love. Because if you spend a lot of money and you offer because you like to help her, she will never be like she will never feel guilt. You know what? Because you like to you like to spend much money for her. She thinks she's not coming because you like to spend money, so that she will feel like confident that she will is coming, and she will still feel herself that no, I'm still good, something like that, because you offer me to give the money, something like that much of money you offer, and you like to spend money for me, so she will not feel guilty about that because she lied. But like I said, she will feel like spending much money because thank you for very good advice. I will go for now. I appreciate you a lot, so of my friends. So thank you, Sir Mark, for joining. Yes, have a nice day there. Whatever time there. Thank you for joining. God bless always. Take care. Be careful. Okay, be careful. Madam Sheila Sheila. Hi, Madam. Sheila Sheila. Sheila Sheila. Thank you so much. Mark, take care of you, my friend from Sir Dwayne. I have a heart that was badly broken, and now I'm finally ready again to love someone. But I would be so upset if it's person who only wants money and doesn't care about me. Yes. Hi. Ibutang mo rin sa balay. Yeah, that's why, Sir Mark, you need to be careful. I told you, you will get not up, just not upset. You get lost yourself if you meet someone who wants just your money. Hope that's not. But I think if you feel it's just like your money, you need to believe it. What you feel, it's a red flag. You need to listen what it feels because it feels right. So you need to be careful for that. So if you feel like she just wants your money, maybe it's just right. You need to comparing something like that. So you need to be careful. It's okay to help, but for now, just talking stages, it's just liking each other. No need to spend a lot of money, just enough for her. So that's why if you live together, maybe the right the and you decided to live each other like Mary, maybe you need to spend something like that. But for now, just starting is to just like each other. Uh, be careful. You need to know her more. Okay, you need to know her more to avoid something like hope you don't fall scam later. Okay, be careful, Mark. Dito na kami magulo sa kanagbabanlaw ka. Papa.
Da, nakalive ako.
Okay, gabi. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
Hindi ka sabi ng kalay. Sa TikTok or sa Facebook.
Facebook.
Oh, hindi mo yung nakalive video.
Okay na yun, para may pera kami na naman. Or ano masda.
Sabihin mo, hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Shout out to all the blessings. Thank you for the blessings. More blessings to come. Something like that. Thank you for watching. Umaasa lang sa'yo. Come on, do it you have. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Hi, Sir Jeff. How are you? Nelson Celestino, BC. Just BC, Sir Jeff. Something like that. How are you? How are you, everyone here? 9 people. I'm good in you. I'm beautiful. I felt beautiful. I felt I'm still good. Something like that. I'm good, but wash laundry. Laundry day. Hello from California. Hi, Taven. No, Tav. Tav. Hi, Tav. From California, USA. Thank you. Welcome to my live from California, USA. USA. Who wears shorts, Cheryl? Wear shorts. Who wear? Who wear? Who wear? I wear shorts. Shake it. Shake it. Oh my god. Who wears shorts? I'm shorts. Shorts. Dance. Dance. They should have done. Dun, dun, dun. I'm tired for dance. Okay, tomorrow, I will Zumba tomorrow. Tired today. Alright. I feel so happy to be lonely. I feel so happy. Oh shit. I'm hungry again. Cheryl, honey, I'm still here. Huh? Sir Dwayne. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Thank you for joining here again. I'm alright. Aray. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Can someone offer me water, please? Water and food, please. Can someone carry this? Please. I try. I feel so happy being lonely. Can someone me, please? Please. Jar. I need to go. Can someone? Thank goodness. May kulay.
Hoy, kaya mo nga lang gabi, be. Tara. Dita. Hoy! Kaya mo nga lang. Be, bahala mo pumusura.
Cat. Walang kwentang na lang. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you so much.
Uy, bakit ka naman dito kay nakalimutan? Uy, bakit ka naman dito kay nakalimutan para maingay? Kay si Daddy Mike yun! Si Daddy Mike ay... Aboto si Daddy Mike!
Thank you, Sir Jane. Thank you so much. Thank you for 80 people in the house. Opo. Dad. Green. Dad. Dad. True old friends. They can.
Naglarga naman may sarisa? Naglarga na sarisa?
Hapon.
Na,
Masa mga mararga?
sa aga.
Ano ka dito?
Mating siyang kasal. Sa March.
Hinang ka? Sila may naglarga.
Sa aga. Magpahayay man ako madali. Ano sa? Nakaligas ako. Ikaw na sila may lasaan, walang kalan. May karaligas, ba't di ba rin ito? Nalimutan nga ito kanina.
Sa mga erog sa may present. Sa mga erog sa ano, sa may present.
Ito, buko mo.
Kumara na ni body lang sila.
Yan, baba. Saka,
Present. Pero kada sa ano nga, arapan mag-arasara.
maanak ko, and sa na-aropod ang mga barak. Ay, sa ako. Bagay, pamilya man nila yung masahan. Nag-interfere ka sabi ko, doon ba?
Grabe, orang ano na yun.
Takloan ko nga, sabi ko. Ito para sabihan ko, orang maninihin mo mag-guro barbecue.
Masulang ka magsurusel, higmang ka sa lugar. Nakata. Naya, da malang sa lugar, di pa masaralhigan. Maray ko, magharapan na lang singka. Eba. Hapon ang singka ba?
Ako nga,
Bakit ako may jahiya?
ako naglabang ng baga ako. Tapos, pag hindi natatapos ang puno sa balay na.
Siguro na dito sa balay, pagkaaga.
Marapon ko.
Baga ng restaurant sa
Hindi mo maintindihan na. Mga mulugulog ang lakas.
pagkaaga, sa lugong, nagasaan.
Papasulusuran, labahan. Ano, hindi laban man ako. Sa Sabad eh. Sira may langani.
Bilang sa mga nagdudaghan.
Sira may langani. Pura man trabaho, tambak ang labas. Sabi ko, may wasin na sila. Yan, di ka man lang. Akala di ka nang galaba kay tambakon ang labahan.
Parang po
Ako, sa may bata ako nang irukson. Agaga ako ng lalaba.
So pag ina ka, tapos pag ang bata mo, may isip sa bata mo, ang pag-asikaso mo kanila.
Ako sa nanaradi ako. Agaga ako ng lalaba.
Kay malay ito na, ito may kumpanya na, ano ko, kabats ko, okay, namatay ito na ina niya sa grabe man ang kahigusan. Naratama niya ng kalamang. Magayon ang buhay niya, may isa din na ng kumpanya. Construction company. Pero may na ano,
Bukong kami. May guturong dito kami sa unang kami ng guturong dito. Ito yung best friend namin.
Ano magpuno dalaga?
kagayon sa daragahenan. Hi, Charles. Where are you from, Charles? Nakalive ako.
Nabasa ako sa Jinsan Sumba. Sabi ni Lourdes, ha, dito na mga picture ta na delete. Nagtatawa. Alam mo, nagbabasa kami sa natok-tok ako. Okay, may picture
Guys.
Nakalikot na. Ay, nakuha ko sa bugas sa kamilo. Sandara ko.
Ano, makuha ang bugas.
Pero, kay panan.
Yan to sira, ano, sa Amerika, sa Manila. Sira din, ten.
Okay na, baga ni Gamisan. Maka-birthday baga dito.
Hindi na rin na.
Hindi na ano.
Katay man wala na karupan nila.
Oo, ano baga sira. Nag-aeroplano. Oo. Di na rin nasa, ano nga ba ito? February, paka-birthday baga.
Paka-birthday.
Kaya nakuro kami. Kaya kaya nagpadara bugas kay mahal mga bugas sa Manila.
Ginto man ang bugas.
Mabugasan man lang sa karito.
Please help me. Why should I help you? Hay, maganda. Nagpadara sa pambakal, bugas. Ay, may bugas man sa kamera.
Ano, ibabada naman yun ni Jamie. So, babugasan sa ano, sira. Ano gangan.
Kaya may pasakay.
Pwede na nga ako pamasahin namin ni Ila.
Ako tumusila.
Oo.
Pag perang pamasahe ka ba?
1.6.
Ako, buka na magbas sa Manila. Narito na. Ay, hilo na ako.
Malilibong man talaga ako.
Pag ano, pag Manila. Namarit na ako magpamanila.
Mas malilibong ako sa ano, sa van.
Pag uli ni Mike Manila, ako. Ganun. Pero, marit ko.
Mag-book ka na.
Hindi pagabot na niya, madali lang naman ano, sa ano lang, magpapabukaan pa. Hali, ano kayo. Hindi rin naman gagmahalan sa sa ibang bansa, ang pabukaan, nakaano kang promo. Pero kapag,
Ay, may promo mga pagbansahan.
Oo.
Na napagbalik niya, kapod ka na. O di pa?
Next year.
Next year.
Okay.
Kaso ka pa sa papel. Okay, pag ito ka na, kung may matrabahoan dito, ora age limit. Matrabaho.
Hindi naman paano dito na ano sa trabaho, kay masigurang na dito, nagtatrabaho ka.
Kaya, work dito age limit.
Hindi man lang sa Pilipinas ang kinakasabi sa mga dito. Hindi naman kasi ng mga pensyonado.
Maski taga punas
taga-
lang, maski taga punas lang dito
Kaya-
sa tagahugas ang pinggan.
Ang mga ano,
Tagalaba.
90 years old. Sa diri lang. Kasi kaso niya sa mga. Sige, garang naman siya.
20 years old ng anak niya.
90 years old, makusog pa. Mga solo lang siya din. Kaya uso na yun sa kamera.
Anak niya.
Namatay na.
Ang anak niya.
Kaya alcoholic ang nan niya.
Kaya ako.
Parainom ko na ito niya. Buo na niya sa ina. Parainom man ina ko sa parainom ka buo nung tulo niya. Paina ko, parainom. Parainom. Sabi, maski di na inuwan na dayo. Parang Pilipino man. Maski di na inuwan na dayo.
Talaga.
Mabukan ka na. Maski di na inuwan na dayo. Kaya naman niya pulis, captain. Trabaho ba ba? Tapos ano yung trabaho man na rin mga ano lang. Pero pag ano, nasa nag-ano na. Pero kung mayroon niya yung mga bata na doon niya Erikson. Kaya ano yung lugas niya? Palibhasa, Air Force, Manila. Gusto niya mga anak na babae. Maski pobre, matino. Kaya minsan kunain na pobre na nga ni, mabisyuhon pa.
Mabisyuhon pa.
Wala na nga ni
Ano
karawan.
ba yung sigarilyo tapos inom?
Wala na, yung karawan.
Lalo na yung sigarilyo ng mga sigarilyo. Pero nagtitinda ako sigarilyo, nagtitinda ako arak. Pero yung mga ako
Kaya nga ni, kunain na mga tiuso mo po mga munggon.
mga mabisyuhon.
Kuna, aran na ba?
Ano dalaga? The doubt.
Tiuso na.
Ano ba yan?
Maski ito na, ano, na inaitim, gurang na yan to.
Kumusta na si Queen?
Ito sa ospital. Panakan. Maski ito na inaitim, nakadaya pero yan to. Nag-iirg ito sa sungkod, nag-grocery pa ito, naglalabad, naglalabad dito sa mall, naglalabad, naglulumi ba ba? Tapos na yan, nag-ano. Ito na, pabilis niya. Ito, Erickson sa Amerika, independent ka, kailangan mo mabuhay. Kaya gusto nila mga Pilipina, kaya mga Pilipino mga sikaso baga. Pero, ganun pero eh.
Tapos sabi mo ma-apply ako dito. Tagaling ka sa ama niya, charot.
Sana alam mo na ito yung sinano baga ako nito na. kanya kay sa pagka-break na hospital siya, di wala kami kontak sang kinuntak niya ako. May ano na wala si May. Kami na ni May. Nag-join sa live si Tem. Sabi niya, ito si May.
Sabi
Sabi
na,
niya,
na siya sa live.
ha?
Sa live mo.
Ano siya ni Sir Kada ang black. Kaya maski mag-join siya, di siya maski mag-comment siya, di ko na mababasa. Tapos ang dati, dito siya na, sabi niya, ang pwede. Mo, Sheryl, siya ano nga lang. Kaya ko, sabi na ni Mike, ay, diri ka na maghag ngayon kang Sheryl, kay, padabaong ko ngayon, sabi, kung in kaso man na inano, diri, kung in kaso man na anuhan mo si Sheryl, babawiyon ko rin sa iyo para maganagan. Ay, diri, ano ko doon kapadabaong ko si Sheryl ngayon. Sabi din mo, Robson na ang trato mo kanina. Tapos kumusta man ako ngayon? So, kumusta man sa mayad man ang trato sa inyo? Kaya magayon man sira na. Magayon man. Kaya kung normal man talaga ito na kahit sala kung baga ito na nangyari. So, nakustoryahan ko baga ako sa kumbaga, naintindihan ko man ito ng mga malayo naman yung sarabi sa ako. Kaya sinuntok ko na. Hindi ako na para sinubag. Sabi ko, tama ka. Gira-girag lang ako sa
Turugo niya ako.
Pero tinawag ko lang tama. Pagalon, rogado.
Makaroon ka nga.
Simba.
Ito pa ako biyaan ko.
Oo, nabi yun.
Nagiluto ako sa
Dua pa lang
ruya.
Dua pa lang.
Basta. Di man mapait. Dili man maas. Basta iba ka. Di maintindihan ka.
Dili maraman, dili mapait, dili kunahan. Kaya dili maraman.
Dili marama ko na. Pero di ko kaya kami.
Sana rin. Sila mo. Camera ko.
Ano yung
Ito naman sinhani.
salita, cellphone? Ito na, medyo na. Kaluro, at pagkakukala. Ito na mismo sa kaniya, ano.
Sa kanya lang mas.
Kaniya tubig. Kaniya, sa tubig, kaniya.
Kaniya karorong.
Karong. Balo, dito mismo linuto. Tapos, nalising itong siya.
Oh, ito.
Itong violet.
Purple.
Dito rin kumusta mo sa emotions. Dito rin napos nito.
Daga ano na, komplikasyon na may apos ito sa puso. Kaya may initong pagka, may initin ang ulo niya. Kaya may namamati. May apos sa puso, may sa kidneys.
Inubos ng dito.
Kaya, parang, kaya, siya baga nag-aataman sa'yo namin. Sabi ko, sino naman ano sa'yo na? Sabi ko, sino naman? Parang iniisip ko, sino ang nag-aataman sa'yo na? Kay, nagda-diaper na lang ito na niya. Kaya ang paghihibaga, di rin magbalik-balik sa ano. Kaya inano na lang niya. Sabi ko, sino naman nalaga? Sabi, mga dito niya narelas naman, kidagano ng kwarta mo kung maluya ka na, maraman yung silbi ang kwarta. Kaya idara ka dito sa mga burangan na. Sa mga,
Home for the age.
home for the age. Kaya, sabi ba ganito, dagano ko ng kwarta niya. Parang dito niya naintindihan na. Kinano ka daga ng kwarta mo kung diri. Dira man ikaw ko ang. Para man bata, siya na ano. Bata niya. Man siya na ano.
May bata siya dati.
Siya na bata.
Oh, ano siya? May isawa siya dati.
May isawa siya dati para hindi rin nagkaka na siwayan mo sa mga na nangyari sa tuwang tonto na.
Na Amerikana. Okay.
Amerikano. Sabi niya, kasi ang sinabi namin niya, kung kaso na para siya, punta ko na ako sa pamilya niya. Ayaw mo na. Sabi ko nga niya, tamano ko na lang ay na. Eh para, mabuti nito na niya. Mga ito na bansa. Ano na niya ito sa Hi Sir Jeff, Sheryl, looking good. Thank you. Please climb coconut tree. Oh, what the fe? Shut up your mouth, Blend. Trash talk. How Camille? Camille is she's so beautiful and she's still looking good. Good woman. How about you, Jeff? Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Good looking man. I will have to post a picture. Oh, really? That's good. You need to post a picture, and Camille, we will see. We'll see. Camille will say that something like that. What is the merienda? Oh my God! Impabakal mo? Okay. How much? Short brown hair, eyed, blue eyes, glasses. Wow. You posted now? You posted now, Jeff? Sir Jeff? Wow, that's sweet. It's you. Maybe Camille see that. I will contact Camille. I will notice Camille. Camille, look, Sir Jeff. I have to do it soon. To do it soon. You need to do it now. Why soon? Just do it now. You need to do it now, Sir Kwan. Sir Jeff, you need to do it now. Hindi pa mo dito sa sunod. Jenga, 2:30 here dark. Okay. Oh my God. Why you still awake, Sir Kwan, Sir Jeff? Why you still awake? Bakali daw tabi ako dahil butangin daw tabi ako diyo na sukar dito. Tapos butang mo kutsara. Tapos butang mo kutsara na magano ka kataron karon ate mo gila. Pera. Patig dua kita. I have no light in my room. Why? You have lights in your room. Oh my God. Thank you to those who hit the likes, because I'm a night owl and visiting you prettily. You're so funny, huh? You're so funny, Sir Jeff. Oh my God, my music is the roaster. May gulay. Ay, diyo lang. Diyo lang. Hey! Are you for sure? Oh my God. You're not allowed here. You're not allowed here. Omas Daniel Banyas. Duh. Do you think you're too handsome? I think training you commenting my life, something like that. Yeah, no. Wrong channel you join. Oh, Marinelle. Maybe go to another channel and they will entertain you. Okay, not here. Cheryl, when you're getting married, October. Maybe you will come here and
No
you will meet.
kutsara.
Huh? That's fine. Mainit pa yun. Ba't hindi kanini mainit na?
Nakakainit ko pa rin.
Hindi man mo. Hindi ka malamig ka. Sabi ko man, malamig. Sabi ko yun. Kanina pa yun. October what? October 10. Maybe you will come here and you will meet Camille. Sir Jeff. Getting to know each other, something like that. Sir Fred, Sir Fred, come here. Sir Fred, going over here. That's uncle's birthday. He passed away. Oh my God, really? Sorry about that. But if you want to join, but you, if you want to come here, you invited, Sir Jeff. My sister David's birthday is October 16. My sister Dawn is October 26. And my mother is October 14. Oh my God. Why all is October? Oh my God. My nephew birthday October 8. And my brother birthday is October 21. A lot of October celebrate. Jeff, my friend, my condolences and my prayers to the loss of you, of your family member from Sir Gwen. Thank you, Sir Gwen. Kuha ka na dito sila nuga, luto na turon. Butang mo dun sa tissue, narulang mo ng tissue. Pat, tigduwa kita. Thank you. Magkano ang sa'yo?
7.
Mamaya na. Thank you, damage. Hi, brother. Cheryl, I subscribe. Oh, thank you for subscribe, Sir Jeff. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your subscribe. Kuya Gab, kuha mong tabi ito. Ang cellphone. Thank you for the subscribe, Sir Gab. Hi Jeff, my brother, good to see you. Great shirt, Cheryl. Oh, thank you, Nate. Mama, hi Nate from Sir Jeff. Mama, How's your day, Cheryl? Mine is tiring but nearly there. Ah, okay. Me, I'm fine. Jeff, my brother, good to see you. Hi, Nate from Sir Jeff. Hey, Jeff. Typo error. Okay, it's fine. Hey, Jeff from Nate's. Tawag ko naman. Closing. You keep it mad in my night. Keep bleeding me, keep bleeding me. You look tired also po. Yes, I look tired. You got a better background, sir. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you, Nate. You miss Mike, something like that. No, I'm just tired. Mike is sleeping. Rest. You got a better back drop. Back drop. Back drop. You look nice also. You look tired, yeah. Tired. Kuha ka na ka natin ni Dila, kay Bedang ko na lang.
Pati si Ate kasi daw.
I like this girls. Yeah, I love it. Represent the Lord well na, yeah. God's well. Cheryl, too, when you get married, you have plenty. I hope, Sir Jeff. Plenty of children. I want more kids, but if it's if doesn't give something like that, it's fine. At least we try. Children can be amazing, but it's really it's happiness. The children sure I love to see you laughing and smiling. You have a pretty smile. Pretty smile with a losing thought. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Missing teeth in Delia. You're welcome. Cheryl, I watched a video about the Manila slums. Huh? Slums? What happened? Look sad. Why? What happened in Manila slums? Manila slums? Why? What happened there? Manila slums? Wait. Manila slums.
Yes, a lot of rubbish there. A lot. A lot of big people there also in Manila. Is it really like that? Because they have a lot, yeah, something like that. And they recycle foods. Yeah, that's right. Me. That's why when I'm living in Manila, when I'm living there in Manila, when I'm working, it's really difficult life when I'm there. But my boss there, they are nice to me. They're pretty nice. So good. So that's why I'm thankful. But the others not good. So I guess that's pretty incredible. Yeah. Less than nice. Yeah, something like that. Lots of people there toxic. Fake. They are bitter. They are looking better. They are looking good, but they have a bad side. They are look good, but they're bad. We didn't know they're bad because they look nice. They look wholesome. They wear like fancy clothes, but they are bad. Ew. Yeah, I understand, but yeah. Because I'm living in Manila in years. How many years I'm living there? Ew, yes, ew. Like, they like you and they want to be with you because of the benefits from you. But then, after that, you're just a trash. But some are not like that. But some are good. You know what? I don't like the people getting bad because of that's what they get. You know what? They like you. They choosing you, something like that, because the benefits from you. Then after that, you're just a trust, and I don't like that. I don't hate people like that. Hi Nate from Jeff. I like how they do rent free. Yeah. And a lots of scammers there. My God, in Manila, lots of one stealing, still like theft people are cool also, yes. But the buses. I hate traffic there in Manila. I said hi Jeff, lol. Wrong name. So much, yeah, too much traffic. Uh too much waste time. The traffic. That's why, ew. That's why I decided when I felt so sick, I decided to going back here in Bicol province. Not enough. I not earn much money than I earn money in Manila, but I feel living healthy here. Something like the fresh air, healthy foods, fresh foods. Not expensive foods, but healthy. Yeah, fair enough. Experience. If I was travel experience, yep. Today I was not working. Why?
Why? What happened? Yeah, for sure. Why not working today? Day off for today? Just a day to chill. Ah, okay. Just a day to chill. Cause wherever you go,
Video mo pala!
bring you through. I will be waiting. It's Saturday, lol. Ah, okay, yes, Saturday. But I also was working. Same here, also working on Saturday. We're always so easy and relaxed to chat trustfully. Huh? What? Names? Look, I'm watching my live. I'm watching my own live, myself. You look tired and haggard, yeah. Because I won, but it's still nice. I think you look tired and haggard. You need to relax, maybe a massage, something like that. Yeah, maybe I sleep early tonight or asleep. So hot. There, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to sleep early tonight, so it's fine. Uh, maybe typhoon season. I felt it's good. Rest yourself. It's good. I'm so broke and broken. Why? Why are you so broke? You feel broke because expensive bills there. Where do you live now, Nate? I forgot. Where do you live now? Yes. Where do you live now? Australia, sorry. You're living in Australia. I want to go in America. Australia is a good place. Sir John, my money is like running out. Why? My Sir John living in Australia. Maybe he living in a good city because he's so nice. Sir John is so nice. Maybe he's living in a nice country there in USA. You don't want to come or no, not yet. I want to go there with my hubby, something like that, with my special someone. Sydney is expensive, what the so, something like that. Good luck to him. Yes, thank you, Nate. Habit time, yeah. For you, but really. For you, but really. Thank you, name. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I never see Jim's mail. James Smith. James Smith, no pervert here. We don't entertain jerk pervert like you here on my life. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much. Freedom day, rock yeah, rock yeah. We will rock yeah. Thank you, 9 people in the house. Thank you so much, Sir Jeff. Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. It's me to lots of comments. Fatar. Hello. Hi, Fatar. Fatar. Cheryl, how's your copy this morning? Mine is pretty good. Copy. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Coffee. The coffee. My coffee is good. My coffee is from Mike. Bring this from America. Classic Rose Folgers from America. And also having a creamer. Also, Mike bring this creamer for me from America when he came here. Like a cinnamon French toast. That's pretty good. I love this. I want to feel relaxed. Thank you, people. Folgers coffee is the same brand that I drank also. That's good for Sir Green. I look haggard. I'm tired. My God. Sorry, people here. Oh my God. Left the chair. Gabriel? Gab? So there's copies of Sir Green, come on, let's eat. Mike's said I need to use this, and this is so, this the creamy, the creamy peanut butter. This is so yummy with strawberry. I don't like this. And then the strawberry. Mike said this is good. It's super yummy. The strawberry. Skippy peanut butter that's been around since I was a kid. Yeah. And it's good. Tastes good. But thank you for joining.
Inuman pa ako, babe.
Masarap man.
Tubudan na.
Good na. Sinalang ilibot. Malibot kami nila kaya wala si Bill.
Ay, may.
Nagpupod sa Karaligos. Dangkalang Karaligos.
Baby, pali ako nagpagdakaran. Ano? Kami mo rin bibilangan. Kami mo rin isang ano. Bibilangan.
John Boy. Hi, John Boy. I need to go to sleep. Thank you for joining. I'm tired, something like that. I will see you next live. Thank you so much. Bye bye.